The lower targets we anticipated met today, and we are now starting to receive signals of a potential floor. With the markets reacting completely bullish, there may be a chance where the asset can use the broader market upside as strength against its own price action. Welcome back to the channel on this Thunder Thursday. This is ARCa, and let's dive into AMC. Let's kill them, team. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at AMC here on the hourly chart, where we can display to you the absolute targets that we were talking about just yesterday. 470 to about 471 was our bottom range, and the area we were looking at as a potential loading zone so that we can benefit from the upside price from this area here, right? So I felt that the upside may have been limited from yesterday's analysis, but I still stuck to the 470 to 471 targets. Of course, we reached the massive 466 down here, right? Before it completely recovered and continued on to the upside. So if you did catch your entry at around that 470 level, you're currently sitting 3 ticks in the money right now. So let's just find out to see if we have continuation to the upside or not, right? And what we're going to use here is volatility versus momentum. So let's go ahead and take a look at that from a granular time frame using the 15-minute, right? So the 15-minute is already indicating a potential retracement, but that's okay. The reason why is because we broke up into this area here. We need to start validating support. So if we do come back into that area of around 468 to 466, let it be. There may be a continuation to the upside from that area there, otherwise known as a potential double bottom, right? So yes, I know that I've been talking about continuation to the downside here using what could be indicative of these dead cat bounces, right? But I got to say there's a difference between this bounce here and this one here, right? I got to show you that this thing is completely curving towards the downside. And now I do see some bull pressure coming in. So that paired with direction, that may actually show as a continuation towards the upside. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put down here the bottom side support just in case price action visits this price level. And if it does visit it, then you know that this was our higher probability bounce area, right? We've already seen that once today. We may see it again tomorrow. No big deal. All right, now I'm going to put the receipts on it. Actually, you know what? I should do that, right? Let's just put the receipts on here so that you know exactly what's going down, right? Quite literally and figuratively. Okay, so yeah, potential bounce from this area, continuation towards the upside, obvious resistance. We're going to have to get over this line right here at around $4.74, right? There is about a 15-minute time frame consolidation area here. It's a chop box, right? So as soon as we break above this area here, then we'll be able to see the box above, which would be the 476 to 478. I do expect price action, however, to reach levels of up to 481 to maybe around close to that $5 zone. Okay, now the reason why I say this is because I do believe that there is a very strong demand within this area here. Now, if the asset needs to find a bit lower, then let it be. But we will determine that with volatility now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute time frame and see what's up. 30-minute time frame is already pivoted towards the upside here. It is inside of the gravitational zone, this EMA 3, right? Pushing up towards the bullish control zone or the bull weakness percentile, right? This would be the lower half of the upper 50% from the stochastic momentum indicator. Now, if we go on and move to the hourly time frame, let's see how that's reacting, right? So yeah, nice volatility spike here. We are definitely getting some upside signals here. It does look a little bit of it does look a little consolidating, but it's okay. It's just in shock, right? This was a lot of downside. It is kind of mangled up a little bit, but it's all good. Let's take a look at the next time frame here and see what's up. So that's going to be your bi-hourly time frame. This is where things are starting to get a little interesting. Check this out. We have volatility expanding from critical here. It looks like it looks like just on the values right up here, we dropped into the 13.8 and 9%, which is within the 15 percentile of the criteria that I usually use for a potential breakout, right? So yeah, we reached that area within the 15 percentile of critical contraction. Now it is expanding and we are starting to get that curvature with price action or with the stochastic momentum indicator as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 3-hour time frame. Yeah, 3-hour time frame. Look at that. we're getting this slight shift towards the upside here. Volatility spike out of critical contraction, looking good. What about the 4-hour time frame? 4-hour time frame, volatility spike, right? We're consolidating just a little bit here, but it is breaking and it does have the criteria fired off, right? So very, very good. 6-hour time frame, same situation, breaking above the 15% with an upside bias on stochastic momentum. 8-hour time frame appears to be showing almost the same thing. And I gotta show you this, man. Many time frames within a contraction phase, right? 3-hour, 4-hour, all of them coming out of critical contraction, right? 8-hour time frame, massive contraction here. 12-hour time frame, all that contraction, all of this is showing potential expansion phases coming in. Right now, the daily time frame, of course, hasn't seen the price action from the after hours, so we're just gonna have to go ahead and see what that's like into the coming days, right, guys? So the reason why I know this stuff, guys, just to repeat it to you once again, I am a stock trading instructor. Make sure to get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse@gmail. I want to see you at the front of this class. No more excuses, right? Learn how to trade, invest in yourself. This quite literally is for beginners, and this would be charting and trading. The mentorship program will be starting here in about a week and a half. So I want to see you there immediately, right? Make sure to reach out to me. I'll go ahead and give you the syllabus and disclaimer and everything pertinent to that. Again, you know the targets to the downside. You know the targets to the upside. I do think that we're within a potential floor here. And I guess we will see what's up into the coming days, guys. If any questions, you know where to reach out to me, right? Let's go ahead and kill this thing and do our damn little dance. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios. Oh, yeah.